Hi everybody, and this is day 9 of December Daily Ornaments. Today, I feel like I'm saying this for every video, but today is a super easy one. It really is, and it doesn't take much time at all. I just found some images online. I tried to find where I got them, but I honestly don't remember, and I couldn't find the site again. But I just Googled Christmas lyrics with music printables. And there's lots of free ones out there. You could probably find some on Pinterest as well. So I printed it out on a cream cardstock instead of white. And when I cut them out, on the long sides, I'm cutting it right on the printout, but on the two short ends, I am cutting it beyond the printable, about the size of the popsicle stick. You saw me put the popsicle stick there to see how far to go beyond the printable, and that is where I'm going to glue a popsicle stick. So the whole idea is just that it's Christmas music, like not like a scroll. I guess it could be like a scroll if it was rolled up, but I don't know what to call it other than like a scroll, but you know, I don't know. I've seen this before online, so this is not totally my idea. I remember seeing it, but I don't remember exactly how they did theirs. I'm pretty sure they used popsicle sticks as well, but everything else I don't really know what they did, so it may be almost like theirs or just like theirs, or I really don't know. So this is not totally my idea. I'd seen it and just did it my way. But again, it is super easy and super quick, and it was no problem to make a bunch of them. Like I made 8 of this one because it is that easy. So for the popsicle sticks, since I can't have 2 curved ends, I first cut off the one end and then did the measurements, because I'm not going to have 1 curved end and 1 straight end. And to soften up the edges, I'm just taking sandpaper so it's not so sharp. And it doesn't require a lot of sanding, just a little bit to get rid of that rough edge. And once I measured out the first one, I just had it extend over the page just the slightest little bit. And then I used that one as like a measuring guide for all the rest of the popsicle sticks. So I did mine with one on the top and the bottom. You could do it just on top, that's up to you, but I wanted it, like I said, top and bottom. And I stained my popsicle sticks with Distress Ink Stain in Walnut. And it would look nice just plain, or you could paint them or stain them a different color. Your call. I also used my hot glue gun and some twine just to wrap around each end of the popsicle stick for a little bit of decoration, and also a loop at the top to be able to hang it from the Christmas tree. And that is all the supplies that I used. I'm pretty sure that is it. I feel like there was something I was going to mention, but I can't remember. Now, I just used my Tim Holtz scissors to cut the popsicle sticks. It did make the wood want to split sometimes, but none actually really broke or caused me any further grief. So I just continued using my scissors because I wanted to use something that everybody should have. And I don't know if regular scissors would cut through the popsicle sticks like the Tim Holtz ones can. I mean, those scissors, they're awesome. I mean, they cut through a wire. They're great scissors. If you don't want the splitting and you have a saw, it would be a lot easier just to quickly saw them off. But I mean, the scissors were fine and it was quick. The only thing is, when you cut them, the pieces go flying. So I'm probably going to find a couple pieces of popsicle sticks someday in the future. So that is it for this ornament. You could jazz it up a little more by adding a little bit of garland or a bow on top, or the bottom actually. You could do lots of fun little things to it just to add a little bit, or like a little snowflake, or you could put a little bit of glue and fake snow on the popsicle stick. I mean, do whatever you like to make it yours, or just do exactly what I did. I'm totally okay with that. Like I said, this wasn't my idea. So that is it for me talking. I am going to play some Christmas music for you, and hopefully I won't have problems like I did with the last video. That is why it was silent, because I tried uploading it to YouTube 3 times, and every time I got copyright issues. And I got the music from a royalty-free website, and I tried 3 different songs. Like, I would remove the song and try a different one, and 3 times. So I'm going to use music that I've used in other videos that's Christmas and that I have not had problems with, and hopefully it will be okay, because I really don't want it to be a silent video, although some people may not mind that at all. I mean, then you can listen to whatever you want, but you could also just mute my video if you don't like the Christmas music. So hopefully no problems. That is it from me. Enjoy day 9. And I would love to be able to catch up and actually post it on the day it's due. But I have remained 2 days late from the very beginning. Anyway, have a great day, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.